Hey everyone, my name's Ali and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. In today's video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know to successfully grow zucchini in containers from seed to harvest. I'll go over what size container to use for zucchini, their ideal growing conditions, along with a quick harvest, so let's go ahead and get started. This is a yellow zucchini which I started from seed indoors at the beginning of May. The type of zucchini I'm growing is called Gold Rush, which is a bush variety that grows more compact. I transferred this into its container at the beginning of June once temperatures began to increase. Zucchini plants are a warm season crop that thrive in the hot days of summer and prefer a temperature range of 70 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 35 degrees Celsius. They do not tolerate cooler temperatures, so avoid planting them too early in the season. When growing zucchini in containers, you'll need a large-sized pot that is between 5 to 10 gallons for one plant. Bush zucchini plants are large plants that can reach 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, so the larger the container, the better. Larger containers provide more root space for your plants and reduce how often you need to water, especially during the heat of summer. Another way to maintain the soil moisture is to apply a thick layer of mulch to the top layer of soil. Mulching slows down water evaporation, regulates the soil temperature, and aesthetically, I think it looks better too. After planting, place your container in full sun, providing at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. When given enough sunlight, zucchini grows very rapidly. This variety reaches maturity in about 50 days. Without sufficient sunlight, zucchini plants will grow more slowly and produce less fruit that is smaller in size. So choose a sunny spot in your garden for the best growth. Maintain a regular watering schedule for your plants. Zucchini plants require consistent and thorough watering and need about 1 inch of water per week, but this can increase during dry, hot weather or when the plants are fruiting. A general rule of thumb is to water your plants whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. For fertilizer, I mixed in a slow-release organic fertilizer at planting time, which feeds the plant slowly over several weeks. Once blooms appear, you can go ahead and apply another dose of fertilizer. One thing to note about zucchini plants is they are not self-pollinating plants like tomatoes or eggplant, for example. Zucchini grows both male and female flowers. The male flowers appear first, followed by the female flowers. To identify the two, male flowers have a long, thin stem, whereas female flowers have a small fruit growing behind it. In order for the fruit to form, the pollen from the male flower must be transferred to the female flower. This is typically done by pollinators like bees and hoverflies, but you can also hand pollinate too. I just did a short showing how to hand pollinate zucchini, which I'll link to here if you're wondering how to pollinate the flowers yourself. After pollination occurs, zucchini will grow quite rapidly. You'll know your zucchini is ready for harvest when it reaches about 6 to 8 inches in length. Smaller zucchini are more tender and flavorful, so avoid waiting too long to harvest your fruit as they will grow larger and become bitter tasting with large seeds. Also, frequent harvest sends a signal to your plant to produce more fruit for you to enjoy. I absolutely love this Gold Rush variety. It has beautiful golden yellow skin with a creamy white interior flesh. After harvest, store your homegrown zucchini in the crisper drawer in the fridge where it will last up to 1 week. Well, that's it for this video. I hope if you guys enjoyed learning about how to grow zucchini in containers, that you'll give the video a like, leave me a comment down below if you have any further questions, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.